Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to sell print-on-demand posters in your Shopify store with the Gelato print-on-demand app. We'll jump right into it. First of all, what is print-on-demand? And if you've been watching any of my videos at all, you know that I believe that print-on-demand is by far the #1 best business model on the internet today. You get to sell hundreds of different products, like posters, which is what I'm going to show you in this video, but there's tons and tons of apparel, home goods, wall art, personalized products, and so much more, all without ever touching any inventory, without ever paying for anything up front, without ever dealing with warehousing or employees or shipping logistics or bubble mailers or boxes. There are zero upfront costs, and you never, ever deal with shipping. And it's really kind of eliminating the old way of doing things where you would go to a wholesaler and, you'd pay for products up front. And especially if you were buying apparel, you'd have to buy, 5 extra large, 5 large, 5 medium. You have to buy all these different sizes and hope that people buy them equally, right? There's just a lot of risk when it comes to the quote unquote old way of doing e-commerce where you literally buy products up front, you store them, and you ship them yourself. But we're not going to do that anymore. We're doing the new way, we're doing the right way, where you have your Shopify store and you simply connect your print-on-demand Shopify app. I'm going to show you Gelato, and you create products inside the app that get added into your store. Customers come along, and just like any other product, they'll go and buy those products in your store, which means they're going to pay you for products that don't exist yet. And as soon as they do that, your print-on-demand partner will automatically start to produce the product. They'll package it up all nicely, they'll print the shipping label, they'll ship it to your customer, and they'll even send the tracking number on your behalf. It's fully automated. Your job ends right here once you collect the payment in your Shopify store, right? Once someone buys the product, your job is done. And this product doesn't exist, you didn't buy it up front, it's not staying in any warehouse. It gets created automatically on demand via your print-on-demand partner. It's super, super powerful, and it's the new and correct way to do e-commerce. And if you want to follow along step by step, you need to have the Gelato print-on-demand Shopify app. You see the link directly below this video. Totally free to get the app in your Shopify store. It has every single thing that you need to absolutely crush it with print-on-demand. Simple 4-step process. Step 1, you're going to install that free Gelato print-on-demand Shopify app. Step 2, browse through their catalog, take a look at the hundreds of different high-quality print-on-demand products that you could add to your store. All you need to do is really choose a product, and then step 3, add your design. This will be where you add your print-on-demand design, or you could even use the built-in design tools to create your own designs right inside of the app. And then step 4, the last step, add the products to your store in one single click. And remember, in this process over here, once we add the product to your store, someone can go ahead and purchase the product, and everything else happens automatically. That's why it's by far the best business model online today. And we're going to go over the shoulder so you could simply follow along and see how I do this step by step. You're looking at the Gelato site, and you'll be able to integrate directly with your Shopify store. It's super, super easy. You're even going to get 50% off your first order over here when you sign up. You see, again, the link directly below this video. Gelato is an incredible choice for print-on-demand. They have the world's largest print-on-demand network, so you'll be able to sell globally and produce locally. 60-plus logistic partners, high-quality products, one-click integration to all the popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy. Really, really powerful, but we're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you inside of my store here, and this is inside of my Gelato account, and we're going to come over and click Add Product. And you're going to see that we have now access to the entire Gelato catalog. All of these different categories like men's clothing, women's clothing, right? Holiday season, which is super, super important. And posters work incredibly well for the holidays, especially when you're getting ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and September, October, getting ready for those super, super popular November, December months. You need to be well prepared. You need to have the winning products. They literally highlight them right over here in the holiday section. But I'm going to bring you right over into the posters section. You see a lot of different wall art product categories here. We're going to drill down into the posters. And Gelato has a bunch of different poster options. The fine art poster, if you see this little zoomed in, you see there's a bit of texture on this paper. Same with over here, the museum quality matte paper over here as well. Premium. We got the classic, the semi-gloss, and the classic semi-gloss. So you have different options, and each one has different printing prices. you're going to see that there are different options depending on if you're in Gelato Plus or not, which is highly recommended. You see, you could save even more when you're a Plus member. It's going to cost you about $8, somewhere between $7 and $8 over here. And you're able to ship worldwide, of course, because of that massive, massive printing and shipping network with Gelato. So, we could pick any of these, right? We could pick the fine art poster. I'm going to go with the premium one over here, the museum quality matte paper. We're going to click inside here. And this is going to now open up this product. And the first thing that you're going to note is there are some product options. For example, vertical or horizontal orientation. Depends on how you want your sizes. I'm going to be going vertical here. And you see that there are a lot of sizes that we can choose from. And I'm going to scroll down, and I want you to focus on some of these bigger ones. Right? The reason being is that these big sizes, they command the most money. So we can go with a 24 by 36. We can go by a 30 by 40. Right? I'm going to go with 24 by 36, which is really the most popular. And there's no reason why you couldn't have multiple sizes in here as well if you wanted. There are some advanced design options as well if you wanted to create variations, but this is going to be our kind of base. You see that we have our background color over here. So we could make the entire thing red and we could start adding our design on top, or we could just have a no color background if you have a design that has some background color in it. If you have an existing print-on-demand design file, of course, you could upload it at any time. You'll be able to create it. But I'm going to show you there's so many different options over here. For example, we could add text inside here, and you could even allow for personalization, which is pretty cool. This would allow you to allow the customer to enter in their own text. Really popular if you're doing something like, maybe they want to put in a portrait of their family and then put the family's name, right? That's a good example. There's some templates over here as well. You can start to save those. But I'm going to show you these graphics. Really makes for an incredibly easy time for you to create this. And remember, posters are incredible products for the holidays. I'm going to show you a really, really easy one. We'll go over here for Halloween. And it's a super easy to create design because we use the built-in designer. So many different Halloween-related designs. And of course, you could do this for winter, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, a bunch of different niches in here. It doesn't have to just be holidays. But I'm going to show you this. This is going to be an easy top seller for you this holiday season. Come around here. I'll pick a different background color. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right, we could add more graphics on top if we want. Maybe we wanted to add, I don't know, we could add this jack-o'-lantern on here, or, we could put this over here. And you have full control over things like changing color of the design as well. Right, and we can kind of rotate this and change it up, make this white. And I'll put this right over here. Okay, and you could, literally customize the design as much as you want. Add more icons, add your own design, add customizable text. Say, I don't like it over here. Okay, how about try it over there? Okay, you want it to be bigger? Okay, no problem. We can make it bigger. Right, you want it to be smaller? Literally, change the color, change the position, change the icon. You have full control. This is one of the best designers out here, and it literally saves you a ton of time because if you don't have a print-on-demand designer, you could just come right inside here and create your own graphics immediately as you're building the product. So a big time saver here. I'm happy with how this design looks. I'm going to go continue to mockups. And this is really, really important here. Mockups are going to represent what the product will look like. But remember, this product doesn't exist yet. But no one in our store is going to know that, right? You've probably bought products that are print-on-demand. You had no idea. And you see that this is kind of the flat basic mockup. Lots of different ones as well. I'll scroll through here, and they have cool kind of ways that you can look through and kind of drill down to different categories. Got close-up ones, for example. And we'll just look at all of them, right? A lot of different ways to represent your product. And this is super important because up until this point, this product only exists in graphic form. So we need the graphic to look as good as possible, right? We want the representation of this product to look as good as possible. And you see they have so many different options over here. You can just keep scrolling and see all these different ways. I kind of like this one right above the bed over here, and we'll make it our primary image. I'm going to show you something really cool though. This is unique to Gelato, and we have our magic mockups section. And all we need to do is basically enter in a prompt. Okay, so I'm going to say, and this is a Halloween one, I'm going to say a poster that is on the wall in a haunted house decorated for Halloween. Okay, and we'll click generate mockup. And you see, just like that, literally right inside of what we asked for, a haunted house, we have our product right on the wall. Super, super easy. You can play around with that and get some really unique mockups that look like nothing else in the print-on-demand space, and they'll match the exact theme of your store. So this is a super, super important part of Gelato here. It's totally built in, and it's going to create a much, much higher conversion rate and really have brands feeling connected, or I should say customers feeling connected to your brand. So we'll press add mockup over here. You see it's going to add this down here as just another option here for our store, and we'll go to the details section now. So in the details, we'll be able to give our title, and I'll say bunch of Hocus Pocus poster for Halloween. You could add other things in here. You could customize this. You can, let's say, remove this section if you didn't want. You can do whatever you want. Full control over here. Maybe you want to put in, my three-part product description template. Whatever you want to put inside here. This is basically for your description, and you could also generate with AI here, where they'll basically do all the work for you. Scroll down here. You have different product type. You got the vendor. This button is basically going to have it active. If you didn't click this, it would go and publish it as a draft. And then you could publish it later on in your store, but we're going to activate it now. And we're going to go into our prices. If we had multiple variants here, we would see different prices. Let's say we had the 24 by 36 and the 30 by 40 and other sizes, right? We could set different prices here. I'm going to go over here, and you're going to see some really, really great profit margins, because when we have some big sizes, we're able to sell for some really big pricing. We can go to $49.99 and take a look. So somewhere between $15 and $25 in profit, depending on where we price this. And if we add personalization to this, we could even sell it for more. So really, really easy product to add in there. And this is a massive size, 24 by 36 custom size poster. You see our shipping cost as well is going to be $5 in here. So totally, all in about $31.87. And we sell it for about $50. So get some nice profit margins on there. Of course, we could charge our own shipping in our store. Last thing that we need to do is basically just approve it. Right? We have everything here. We're going to press publish, and this is sending it off into our store. Once this is loaded in our store, we don't need to copy and paste anything or right-click and save any images. This is going to be immediately available in our Shopify store. So let me go and bring you into the Shopify store, and you'll see this Hocus Pocus poster. And here it is, bunch of Hocus Pocus poster for Halloween. We've got it right here. We got that mock-up, got that super-powered AI mock-up as well. This is going to really help increase conversion rate, get people to buy it, really envision exactly kind of what they're going for. They're going to buy this for, obviously, the Halloween season. So really a great kind of set of images. We have our product description over here as well. You see the little customizations I made. You see the pricing that I set. And it's all ready to go now, right? The product doesn't exist, but as soon as they press add to cart and pay us for it, Gelato's going to step in and produce this product. They're going to ship it out all nicely, and they're even going to send a tracking number to the customer on your behalf. All you need to do, sit back, relax, and collect your profit. So really the hard part for you is just getting the customers to your store, adding these products, and you saw just how easy it is to do that with the Gelato app. This came super, super quick. Doing a little unboxing for you. You see it's all nicely packaged up. Came in this nice box to make sure that it preserves all of the corners and everything. Nicely rolled. I'll unroll and show you exactly what this looks like, but it literally took only 2.5 days to get here from when I ordered it. Here it is, all unrolled right there. You see super, super sharp quality, really heavy paper too, not thin like a typical poster. And there you have it. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus print-on-demand poster. You see super high quality. It looks super nice on the wall. And this is the power of Gelato. So that was Gelato print on demand. Again, you see the link directly below this video. A really great option right now for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, for the holiday frenzy that's coming up. Get these products in your store. There's literally no risk whatsoever. They're fully print on demand, fully automated as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make a ton of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.